Hey there guys, Pit3 here. Welcome to another episode of Binding of Isaac. So today, as you can see, I don't have trophies on. That means I'm doing what's called like a cheat mode of it. So basically I can get whatever items I want. I think it's via this. There it is. Just through the console. I'm trying to remember some of the stuff I can get. Like milk. Oh. Like, I think I just spawn milk. And then I have milk. That kind of deal. Don't remember all the other commands. I'll actually have to look that up. So you're gonna have to see me kind of look at that stuff. Trusty Google. Anyway. Binding of Isaac. Console. I said console. Commands. Console commands. Here we are. The debug. What are you? That's spawn. Go to stage. Spawn. Give item. That's what it is. Give item. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Let's go back. Resume. Console command. Give item milk. Okay. Give item meat. Meat exclamation. Alright, there we go. There we go. And then one last part I'm gonna do. Just gonna do this once. Give item tech X. There we go. Whoops. So now, there we go. Oh wait, hold on. There's one other. Give item soy milk. Now, there we go. Okay, let's go. Oh, wow, you gotta be shitting me. Alright, took a hit. That's some crap. What is this? Mega Tears. Alright, Mega Tears. I'm okay with that. There we go. This makes it so much easier. I know it's like it's cheating and all, but I honestly don't care. This game can get hard at certain points, and I'm just like, why? Why am I dealing with like 30 spiders in one room? Why am I dealing with 20 hoppers? Was my RNG in this game horrible? Thank you. Okay, nothing in this room, I guess. There we go. Let's go. Baby Plum. Seriously? There we go. That was some crap. Evil up. Come on, give me that. Thank you. Ready match. Whew. Oh, I sneezed so hard that my headphones came off. Whoops. Alright, I'm back. Put that back, so I don't need that right now. Okay. Where am I going? That way. cool. There we go. Whoops. There we go. What's in here? Goat hooves? Give me another key, because why not? Oh, troll heart. But you gave me a soul heart, so I'm okay with that. Ooh. Alright, cool. Did a key drop? Yes, it did. Oh, hoppers. That. We're gonna go this way. Figure out which it's over this way. And they're dead. Where are you? Burning Blast. +5. Oh. Oh. Interesting. There's a mini boss. But I got 2 keys from that. I'm okay with that. Last time I tried this, I was being a little bit careless and I kind of died near the end. So hopefully this time I don't die. I like to think I'm doing okay right now. A card. The Hermit. Oh, so you're just naming me here anyway. I don't have enough for that, so nope. Let's just go. Could just bomb away to get those coins, but eh. Girdlings. Remember y'all were, ow, a pain. But not a pain right now. Tear shots and speed up. Cool. Goat head. I'm okay with that. Let's go. And that's why I got meat, because that increases my health and my strength. Can you get bean? Okay, they're all dead. I could go in there, because why not? Oh god, not you. Oh, you. That's it? Okay. No. Whoops. Not that way. This way. Okay. That was quick. Hey! Okay, so that's where the boss room is. See if I can find the treasure room. There it is. Hey. Lost Protector. Okay. I don't know what that does, but alright. There we go. I really don't remember what that does either. I don't really have enough coins. Besides, I'll keep the key in case if I get more items. We'll go to the boss room now. Here we go. Who are we fighting? Fistula. Ooh, that was quick. That was quick. Damage and range up. Cool. Alrighty. Demon wings. I can fly now. Okay. Before I do that. There we go. Perfect. Alright, let's go. Before I actually continue, since I'm down on one regular heart, give item meat exclamation X3? No, that doesn't work. Give item, whoops, no need to capitalize. Give item meat give item meat I can't remember. I know there's a way you can do it, like multiples of it, but I don't remember it. Okay, there we go. Keys. Alrighty, let's go. Look up. And he's dead. Temperance. Nope. I always forget what that did. Nah, I remember. There we go. And I got a key. Wait, I picked up a skeleton key. I didn't realize that. Damage up. Chemical peel. I'm okay with that. Don't show on it. Jawbreaker? Bombs. Oh! Luck up. Alright, where's the boss room? Oh, hey, found it. Let's go. Oh, the Fallen. I think I fought you once before. Oh, yeah, I definitely have. And I got you pretty quick. Alright, what's in here? Ooh. That's a guppy's tail. Cursed. Spirit of Night. Oh, okay. I'm okay with that. Let's go. Cool, the depths. Let me get that meat back. Give item meat. No. Give item meat 1. I think I got that. Give item. Soy. Oh, didn't do it right. Give item. Soy milk. Give item. Oh. Halo of flies. Let's try that. Add that on there. Oh, hey. One ring of flies going on. I don't remember what the ring of flies does. Actually, I don't even remember ever getting a ring of flies. Got him. Hey. Let's go. Big room. Ooh, money. Sound like Mr. Krabs for a second. Buddy. Ow. Hey, bombs. Let's check this room. Oh. Got it. Alright, let's go. That was easy. Ah, Hopper. Whoa. Okay. What's here? Got him. Sick. Tonsil. I feel like surviving with one of those items, I unlock a character. I think, ow, that's still a thing. Even with the command controls on. This is a big area. Oh, it's one of those ones. I don't know how I survived that, but I did. Alright, let's go. Depending on what's in this room, I might get Steam still. Nope. Nothing really great. Ah, treasure room. Damage equals money? Alright, let's keep going. We're almost done, y'all. Monstro 2? I've never went up against you. Oh. You're different. You're definitely different. Ooh, ow. Yeah, I've never went up against you before. What's this? Hey.
Shot speed power pill.
Ooh, what the heck? Whoa, Leviathan? I've never seen that. I'm just gonna... kind of give me some items. Let's give me my just one regular item. Give item. Oh, a torn photo. There we go. Alright, Mom, I'm coming. Well, that was quick. Oh. That creates like a black hole. That's actually kind of cool. Oh, so that's what that did. Cool. Extra coins. Okay. Hold on. I could go there? Huh. Okay. I didn't think I can go here. I haven't been this part once yet. This is interesting. Oh. What am I doing? I can just do this. The sun. Got it. Well. Well, that was easy. I don't know what that did. I feel like it's supposed to like kill things in a room or something. That was quick. Oh, troll bomb. I've never seen that before. Hey, extra coins. Cool. Let's go. I always forget I can just fly over holes and all that. Wow. Ow. Not that way. That way. Eight ball. Shot speed up.
Temperance.
Wow. Ow. Now I'm actually getting hit. Oh, I see now. Wheel of Fortune. Spin the Wheel of Destiny. No, that uses money. Oh. Where'd one go? Got him. Soul Heart, an extra bomb. think it's here. Here? Here? There it is. Umbilical cord. Take tonsil with me. Greed. Hey, there's Steam sale. I was thinking about getting that, but oh well. Scorex? Scolex? I've never heard of that. What? I've never fought that before. And he's dead. HP stem cell. Whoa. Damage up. He wants to take your life. Wait, aren't you the one that takes hearts? You are. I can't remember how much hearts you need. But I think I'm okay. Let's go. Oh, I'm fighting this boss. Okay. I've seen this boss, but I've never gotten to it. So this is going to be interesting. Seriously? I hate these dudes. Go, take it. Take that. Okay. Let's go. Oh. Ow. Magician. HP up. Alrighty, let's go. Well, that was easy. High Priestess. Oh, I see the boss room already. Okay. So the High Priestess gave me a mother to stomp on people. Okay. Speed's up. Cool. Okay. I was gonna give myself another item since I'm cutting games didn't. Ah, dang it. Oh well. Really? How many bombs do you need? Oh, hey. Random blasts. Oh, okay. Yeah, I get it. Oh, hey, I did. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do this just in case. Give item soul Heart? No. Meat. We'll do that. Give me some meat in there. Don't know why I said that word, but alright. Alright, we're just gonna roll with it. Alright, there we go. Give me just some more. So I don't want to just come all this way and just die as I made it to a different boss I've never fought before. Like, come on. Here we go. Yeah, I never fought that. Okay, so I can either do two different things. I can go down farther, or I can go in that chest. Let's go down farther. Figure out what this way goes. I've never been here before. Ow. That basically killed me pretty quick. Woo! You are new. Is that a dime? That is a dime. Nothing still? Whoa, this is just a bunch of bosses so far. This is kind of cool. Hey, at least take that at least. Luck up. Ooh, why did I do that? Dang it. Okay. Killed it pretty quick. Only that was hearts. Well, I found the boss room.
Judgment.
Check the other ways. This music's a little bit horrifying. Like, I didn't know, like, this is how this area was. Oh, no. Ow. Okay. Hold on. Before I continue further, I'm not used to having a space there. I've done this before, but I never do it a lot. I think that also gives me health too. It does not. Okay, okay. That should be enough. Okay, let's go to the boss room and end this. I don't even know what boss I'm going to be fighting. I literally have no idea. Satan? Oh! Oh! Ow. Ow. Woo! Grab those. Okay. Alright, so that happened. That was interesting. Okay. So that's gonna be it, I guess. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.